orbit around the sun. Here I can demonstrate you the traditional nomadic house. It's called the yurt. As you know, nomads never settled in one place for long. They always moved from one spot to another, all over the Great Steppe, and they needed a house which would be sustainable but also easy to transport. This is how the yurt was built. They started off from the walls, which are called kilikia, then the door, the middle, the base for the roof, then the roof itself. People, they lived in steppe, and that's why they believe that the earth is flat in the shape of a circle.
Humanity is on the verge of a great change. We are on the threshold of a new technological era. What do we envision about tomorrow?